Okay, we're back down at Los Locos Beach again. Adjust the camera slightly. There we are. So we're on Thursday. April 3rd, 2025. It's 10:46 in the morning. I've just walked it through from La Mata, my apartment down at the Park Mar. They say you have 300 days of sunshine in Torrevieja. It's not one of them, but it's not cold and it's not raining. So I take that as a win. As you can see, it's quite windy today. Winds used to get up to about 17-18 miles an hour, and hence the waves testament to that. It's the Mango Bar, good looking bar, been there that long. There's a home shop with Dolphies. It's a good running day today, as long as the wind's behind you. So about 2 months ago, I bought a microphone off of Amazon. I'll put a link in this video, or at the bottom of this video, to that video if you want to go and take a look. I paid £10 for that microphone, and it's got some noise reduction, and I did test it out when we were back home in Doncaster at the time. Did a bit of an unboxing, and this is the first time I'm using it out in Spain. And the reason I bought it is for this very thing, because we do a lot of rides on the bikes and the walking down by the coast. When the wind does get up, it does tend to be quite windy, especially around the beaches of La Mata, where it's a lot more open to the elements. And that wind noise on the iPhone 15, which I'm recording this one on at the moment, really does interfere with the sound quality. And the tests I've done with the microphone back home with the wind, it made a huge difference, and it was much better. Now, there were times, especially on the bike, where the sound was slightly distorted, but that's to be expected for a £10 microphone. A bit later on, I'll might do a bit of a sound check on this one. We'll try it with and try it without. And let's face it, this is a downside better view, even on a windy day, than we had back in Doncaster on a windy day also. This is the Maguata restaurant and the China shop. Lots of building work going on this time of year around Torrevieja and La Mata. It's good to see a lot of the buildings, fronts of the buildings, they do start to get a bit tatty, and a lot of them are being stripped back and replastered, re-rendered. And that's what I like about this place, is that they do reinvest the money in the infrastructure. Buses are still running on a regular basis from outside our place, which is really good. So transports are really good. And you can't say that in a lot of the areas. I know when we were looking at buying our house, we were looking at Ciudad Lazada. Probably said that wrong, but anyway. And virtually no buses up that way whatsoever, which is a shame. Obviously, feel free to correct me on that if you live up in Ciudad and you know better. But unless you go down to the arches, like the main high street, you'll see that Casada, you're struggling to get on a bus. So that's one of the reasons we kind of bought where we bought. There's the Amber Brewery. The lights are on. Casa de Mar. Police here.